why don't you let everyone know what your role is at Auntie Annes?
Okay, I am Karen Gleiser, and I am the general manager for our franchises. And I just want to put a little note in right now that Bill and Tina Etter are the franchise owners, and Auntie Annes is the most amazing. I use the word amazing a lot when it comes to Auntie Annes, and they're the most amazing people to work for. And of course, today we're focusing on the Genesee Valley Mall, the Auntie Annes located there.
Sure. Now, what is Auntie Annes for those people who live under a rock and have never had your product? What is Auntie Annes?
I like that, under the rock. And I think the simplest way to say it is, we are just an amazing pretzel making place. And people come to the mall, and it's not rare to hear, I didn't have to come to the mall shopping for anything. I am just here for an Auntie Annes pretzels.
Well, you know what? My daughter is one of those people. She loves the pretzel. What are they, like little pretzels, like nuggets or something?
Yes. Yep.
She loves those with cheese sauce.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's the only way to go.
I kind of veer off, so just go with me. So
are we already in the mood to eat some pretzels?
Yeah. Oh, well, I'm always in the mood to eat some pretzels. I'll tell you that. So why don't you talk about what you offer there at your store?
We have a lot we do with Auntie Annes, and besides, of course, selling pretzels, we do other things. We do fundraising with the schools. We do field trips with Girl Scout troops. They can come in, and we'll teach them the history of Auntie Annes, and they'll get to play in the dough and eat that, and and catering. I really, that's my baby. Is catering.
So if somebody's having a event, they can contact Auntie Annes and you'll cater the event for them?
Oh, sure.
Awesome.
This is the time of the year for graduation open houses and weddings. And weddings is actually my favorite. A lot of the brides and grooms will print up the pretzel sleeves saying their names and the date, and then they'll print on there, we tied the knot today.
Oh, how cute. That is cute. I've never heard of that. That is awesome.
It is so fun. And then, business lunches, parties, conferences. We have a great catering menu. You can either call the store to place an order, which I'll give the phone number in a little bit, or we partner with Easy Cater. And you can just go online to them and place an order with us. And, we'll be happy to help with anything.
That is so cool.
It is. It's a really nice feature from Auntie Annes.